Ah, Rothenburg Abbey der Tauber, a name that echoes through the corridors of history. Just whispering the name conjures images of a time long past, a time of knights and legends. This is Germany's fairy tale town, perfectly preserved from medieval times, as if plucked straight from a storybook. Imagine cobblestone streets winding through rows of half-timbered houses, each one with its own tale to tell. The scent of freshly baked bread wafts through the air, mingling with the aroma of history. This is Rothenburg, a place where time seems to stand still, inviting you to pause and reflect. Rothenburg sits high above the Tauber River Valley, offering breathtaking views that have inspired countless artists. The town was strategically important for centuries, a key player in the region's history. It's a journey back to the Middle Ages, where every stone and street has a story. You can almost hear the clatter of swords and the murmur of merchants in the bustling marketplace, a symphony of the past. Come along as we explore the magic of Rothenburg together. There's so much to discover. Every corner in Rothenburg is a postcard waiting to be captured, a perfect snapshot of history. But this town is much more than just a pretty face. It's a living museum where the past comes alive. Rothenburg invites you to step back in time and experience the magic of the Middle Ages firsthand, to walk in the footsteps of history. Are you ready for an adventure? Let's go. The past is waiting to be explored.
The first thing you'll notice about Rothenburg is its magnificent wall. This isn't just any wall, this is a mighty fortification that encircles the entire old town. It's a testament to Rothenburg's strategic importance in the Middle Ages. Built in the 13th century, the wall stretches for nearly 2 miles. It's a formidable site with its towers, gates and ramparts. The wall was built to withstand sieges. Just imagine the battles and stories these stones could tell. Today you can walk along the wall and enjoy breathtaking views of the town and surrounding countryside. It's like stepping back in time to the days of knights and archers. As you stroll along the wall, look out for the different towers. Each one has its own unique history and architectural details.
Rothenburg's skyline is punctuated by towers, each a reminder of the town's defensive past. The Rothenburg, with its imposing double towers, is a sight to behold. It once guarded the main entrance to the town. Can you imagine the knights passing through these gates, their armor gleaming in the sunlight? Then there's the Spitteltor, a picturesque gate with a pointed roof and colorful frescoes. It's a popular spot for photos. Every tower and gate has a story to tell, whispering tales of bravery, intrigue, and the passage of time. As you explore the town, be sure to seek out the Cobblestone Tor. It's a bit off the beaten path, but well worth the effort. This fortified gate, with its drawbridge and moat, looks like something straight out of a medieval fairy tale. The heart of Rothenburg beats in its market square, a place where history and modern life blend seamlessly. This bustling square is the social hub of the town. Here you'll find colorful buildings, charming cafes, and the impressive town hall, which stands as a proud symbol of Rothenburg's rich heritage. Take a seat at one of the outdoor tables and soak up the lively atmosphere. Enjoy a cup of coffee or a local delicacy while watching the world go by. From the market square, wander down charming streets lined with half-timbered houses. These streets are perfect for a leisurely stroll, offering a glimpse into the town's medieval past. Each house seems to lean on its neighbor, creating a whimsical and charming effect. It's as if the buildings are sharing secrets from centuries ago. Look for the intricate carvings and colorful facades. These details tell stories of the town's artistic and architectural evolution. They are a testament to the craftsmanship of a bygone era, showcasing the skills and creativity of medieval artisans. And don't miss the Plönlein, Rothenburg's most photographed spot. This iconic location is a must-see for any visitor. This picturesque corner is a photographer's dream. Its unique charm and beauty make it a perfect subject for capturing memorable photos. It's the perfect place to capture the charm and character of this medieval gem. The Plönlein embodies the essence of Rothenburg's timeless allure. 2 charming houses flank a narrow gate leading to a double-arched bridge. This scene is like stepping into a fairy tale, with every corner offering a new discovery.
Section 5. A celebration of history. The Meistertrunk Festival. Rothenburg doesn't just preserve its history, it celebrates it. Every year, the town comes alive with the Meistertrunk Festival. This festival commemorates a legendary event from the 30 Years' War. Legend has it that in 1631, a brave mayor saved Rothenburg from destruction. How? By drinking a massive tankard of wine in one go. The Meistertrunk festival brings this legend to life with parades, music, and of course plenty of wine. The highlight of the festival is the reenactment of the Meistertrunk itself. A costumed actor playing the role of the mayor attempts to down the enormous tankard. The crowd cheers him on, hoping for a repeat of his legendary feat.
Section 6. Christmas Magic in Rothenburg. Rothenburg is magical any time of year, but it's especially enchanting during the Christmas season. The town transforms into a winter wonderland, with twinkling lights, festive decorations, and the aroma of roasted chestnuts filling the air. The Rothenburg Christmas market is legendary. It's one of the oldest and most authentic in Germany. Imagine browsing through stalls laden with handcrafted ornaments, traditional toys, and delicious treats. You'll find unique gifts for everyone on your list. But the Christmas magic doesn't stop there. Be sure to visit the Katte Wohlfahrt Christmas Village. This year-round shop is a Christmas lover's paradise. It's filled with ornaments, decorations, and Christmas cheer. You can't help but feel the holiday spirit.
Section 7. Delving into the past, Museums of Rothenburg. Rothenburg is a town steeped in history, and its museums offer fascinating glimpses into its rich and varied past. For a chilling look at medieval justice, visit the Medieval Crime and Justice Museum, where you can see the instruments of punishment and learn about the harsh laws of the time. It's a fascinating, albeit slightly gruesome, look at the darker side of medieval life, showcasing the stark realities faced by those who lived through it. If you prefer something a little more whimsical, head to the Christmas Museum, a place that captures the magic and wonder of the holiday season. Here you can explore the history of Christmas traditions and marvel at a collection of antique ornaments and decorations, each with its own unique story. It's a festive experience any time of year, bringing joy and nostalgia to visitors of all ages. And don't miss the Rothenburg Museum itself, a treasure trove of the town's heritage. Housed in a former Dominican convent, this museum tells the story of Rothenburg from its founding to the present day, offering a comprehensive look at its evolution. You'll see artifacts, artwork, and exhibits that bring the town's history to life, making it a must-visit for history enthusiasts and curious minds alike.
Section 8. Nature's Embrace, the Tauber Valley. While Rothenburg's charm lies in its medieval streets, the surrounding Tauber Valley offers a welcome escape into nature. The valley is crisscrossed with hiking trails, perfect for a leisurely stroll or a more challenging hike. As you wander through vineyards, forests, and rolling hills, you'll understand why the Tauber Valley is known for its beauty. Take a deep breath of fresh air and enjoy the peace and tranquility of the German countryside. For a unique perspective on the town, follow the Double Bridge Trail. This trail leads you across the Tauber River, offering stunning views of Rothenburg's walls and towers from below.
Section 9. A Taste of Franconia. No trip to Rothenburg is complete without sampling the local cuisine. Franconia, the region where Rothenburg is located, is known for its hearty dishes and delicious wines. Be sure to try the local specialty, Schaufeli. This slow-roasted pork shoulder is a true taste of Franconia. And for a sweet treat, indulge in a Schneeballen. These snowball-shaped pastries are a Rothenburg tradition. They're made from strips of dough, deep-fried to a crispy perfection and dusted with powdered sugar. Wash it all down with a glass of Franconian wine. The region's vineyards produce a variety of whites and reds, each with its unique character. Ask a local for recommendations.
Section 10. The Artisans Touch. Rothenburg is a town where tradition thrives. You'll find artisans carrying on the crafts of their ancestors, creating beautiful and unique souvenirs. Visit a glassblower's workshop and watch in awe as molten glass is transformed into delicate ornaments and colourful creations. Or stop by a woodcarver's shop and admire the intricate details of hand-carved figurines and toys. Rothenburg is also known for its Christmas ornaments, and you'll find a wide variety of handcrafted ornaments to choose from. Take home a piece of Rothenburg's artisan heritage. It's a reminder of your journey back in time. These handcrafted souvenirs make unique and meaningful gifts for friends and family back home.
Section 11. Rothenburg's enduring charm. As you bid farewell to Rothenburg ob der Tauber, you'll carry with you memories of a truly magical place. The town's well-preserved architecture, festive spirit, and enchanting atmosphere transport you to another time. Rothenburg is a place where history comes alive and fairy tales seem possible. Whether you're strolling along the medieval walls, exploring the charming streets, or indulging in local delicacies, Rothenburg captivates the senses and steals the heart. This is a town that will stay with you long after you've said goodbye. So pack your bags, put on your walking shoes, and get ready to experience the magic of Rothenburg ob der Tauber. It's a journey you won't soon forget.